Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi with Glam World with Dr. Afshan Hashmi. And today, friends, I will be talking in this about the gorgeous ways to wear a kaftan in style. And I'm also wearing a beautiful kaftan because it is very in these days. But before I proceed to that, I would like to tell you that here are my two books, The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And here is the outbreak of the monstrous infection. So if you have bought my book and have given me a review, thanks a lot. If you haven't bought my books, please go and buy my books and give me an honest review. And after having said that, I will be talking about some gorgeous ways to wear kaftan in style. Kaftans are one of the comfiest outfits to wear and have a multitude of ways to be worn. It can instantly go from daytime to nighttime attire in a heartbeat. With the right accessories, you can completely transform the kaftan to make it look like a whole new different outfit, although finding matching accessories to printed ones can be a little volatile. It can be achieved, but it can be achieved. And here, friends, I will be talking about some more styles. But do you like wearing kaftans? Well, I like to wear kaftans and it is so beautiful. See, I got this kaftan online and it is so beautiful, and everybody have got so many compliments regarding this kaftan. And kaftans are perfect for the beach also. Pick a long kaftan made with a thin fabric like cotton or silk for ultimate comfort. These fabrics also absorb sweat and keep you feeling cool on a hot day. You can also add tassels or beads to it for some extra pizzazz. Pick bright colors and choose minimal jewelry if you are thinking of heading out to a beach. Go belt free, boho chic in the morning, and glam at the night. Flaunt your curves for the evening by adding a lovely belt or sash. Preferably a chunky belt. Not only will it accentuate your curves, it will also make you look dressy, and it will also make you look glam. And if you take a purse with the kaftan, it would be so good. And here, friends, if you can take a small or a big purse, both looks nice. And kaftan looks good with high heels as well as flat. And you can also wear like a beautiful beautiful Mughal style shoes with the kaftan. And friends, now I will show you some beautiful kaftans which I have specially got from internet. And here is the picture. Look at this one. It is so beautiful, yellow with embroidery. And then I will show you another one. And it I got some, these are which I personally selected from the internet. And see how beautiful, and the embroidery is so beautiful here. See this yellow one, it is so gorgeous. If you look at it, it is so beautiful. See how beautiful it is. You can see here. And then I will show you another one. Look at this one. It is so beautiful. You can wear it if you are going on a red carpet, or if you are going in a wedding, you can wear this one and it will make you look so beautiful. This is so beautiful with intricate designs, and it is so beautiful. And see this one is like for a beach kaftan, and it looks like, wow, it looks so cool. And then I will show you some more. Look at this one. The embroidery is so good here. Just see how beautiful it is, and the design is so beautiful, and the embroidery is so beautiful. And friends, here there is another one. Just see this one. It is so beautiful. And this is the Moroccan kaftan, the wedding dress they wear. This is again Moroccan kaftan with the beautiful embroidery. Just see how beautiful it is. And then this is the velvet kaftan, beautiful again Moroccan style, and it is so beautiful with the a lot of embroidery. And friends, how do you like my kaftan, the one I am wearing? And it looks so good. And friends, now I would be signing off from my Glam World with Dr. Rafshan Hashmi. And if you haven't bought these two books, please go and buy this book. And by the way, both these books are bestsellers now. And I like to dress up glam, and that is my style. I'm an author, a best-selling author, and these two books were best-selling books in the on Amazon. This one was in three categories. This and they both are doing very good. So please go and buy these books. And this is a very timely book, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. So cheers, friends. And now I will be signing off from this episode with on Glam World with Dr. Rafshan Hashmi. And bye bye.